Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I make brown sugar solution, a simple but powerful natural additive in soap making. It gives your soap a rich brown color, improves lather, and help you achieve a more professional finish without expensive colorants. If you want stronger, better looking, cost effective brown soap, this is an ingredient you should understand. Let's make it. First, I place my sugar into a clean dry pan. You can use white sugar. We are going to melt it to create the brown color. I turn on low to medium heat and allow the sugar to melt slowly. At this stage, it's important not to rush the process or use high heat because sugar can burn quickly and turn black. As the sugar melts, you will see it change from white crystal to golden liquid and then to deep brown syrup. This is the color we want for soup. Once I achieve a rich brown color, I carefully add a small amount of warm water. You can see I took the water from my flask. It must be a warm water. If you add a cold water, it will turn to candy. Always add water gradually because the melted sugar is very hot and will bubble vigorously. I continue stirring until the melted sugar fully dissolves and forms a smooth brown solution without lumps. Then I allow the solution to cool down. Don't forget to like this video so more soap makers can learn how to reduce costs and still produce professional quality soap. And if you are serious about improving your soap formulation skills, subscribe because on this channel we focus on smart production, better result, lower cost, and stronger bag. Thanks for watching. Always be good to one another. See you on my next video. Bye.